This is a CPAP machine, AirSense 10 by ResMed. And this one has a humidifier tank on the one end. I got this back in May, and it immediately started making noise in the middle of the night. About 2.5 to 3 hours after I'd go to sleep, this thing would wake me up with a whistling noise coming out of here. It was very difficult to get the supplier, ResMed, to admit that it was the machine making the noise. They kept saying it was the mask or the hose. I had to make a video of this in the middle of the night to prove that it was the machine making the noise. The first part of the video, you can't see anything because I couldn't get the light to come on my camera. And then later, I finally got the light on, and you can tell that the loudest part of the noise is over here on the humidifier end, and it was quieter over here. Now this thing, it took like about 2.5, 3 hours for it to start making noise. You got a heater on the tank, you have a motor, you have electronics. That can all take time to come up to temperature. After I shot the video, I was having trouble getting anybody to send the video to the repair shop. Anyway, another story. But if it can happen to me, it can happen to you. So if your machine's making a whistling noise, and this whistles when you're inhaling, not when you're exhaling. At least this one does. If you're having a similar problem, this gives you a little more information.